gonna send this one out to the old school. All these motherfuckers in the Bronx and Brooklyn and Staten Island, Queens, and all the motherfuckers that laid it down, the foundation, you know what I'm saying? Number love for the old school, that's what we're gonna do this one for, you feel me? Can't go with some DVDs and shit. I remember Mr. Magic Flash, Grandmaster Cass, LL, raising hell, but at it last every year Rock Kim was the shit to me. I flipped to see a Ducky Fresh show with Ricky G and Radiomaster was putting in work. And Chuck Chill had my homies on the hill getting ill when shit was real. What I still remember raw with Daddy Kane when Daylight Soul was putting potholes in the game. I can't explain how it was. Houdini had me pumping on that Buddha Kicks buzz. Cause there I was, them block parties in the projects and on my block. And took your don't stop sipping on that by the side. And through my speaker playing deeper and MC Light. It's in the tracks of chaos to get me through the night. But till the rock the man John, this is just the sign. Remember put your with the bond shit, nothing like the old school. Nothing like the old school. Nothing like the old school. Yeah. It ain't nothing like the old school.